What's up, TNS family? It's your boy Tuxx. Says it's got Toa. I got Big Toa. And today it's the Big Three's birthday. So Big Three is Chris, Black Cat, Jace, and Toa. It looked better before, but it's melted. The cream. Got 2 cakes here. And right now, we're just gonna do another little blowing of the cake for Big Jace and Son. Toa! Come, Toa! Oh! Look!
Is that for you?
It's for Toa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toa. Happy birthday to you. Manuel Wasofana. Toa, sing. Toa. Okay, guys, it's Toa. Toa's turning 2. Such a grown up. So the big 3, the triplet birthday. Baba, Chris, Toa. Okay, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy sing to you.
Happy birthday, dear Toa. Happy birthday to you. Manuel Wasofana. Manuel Wasofana. Manuel Wasofana.
Fa'a Manuel Toa.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Jesus, hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
1, 2, 3, go.
Blow, 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 Toa.
One more. Do you have 2 kisses?
Don't just...
One more.
Oh. Happy birthday to Jace, Toa, and Auntie Chris. So, 30th of December, 1998 is when Jason was born. 30th of December, 2000 was when Chris was born. And 30th of December, 2022 is when Toa was born. Toa, happy birthday. Okay, sit, open.
Yeah, here, Toa.
Open your present, Toa.
Open. Use 2 hands.
2 hands, put this down.
Alright, fam. You ready, my boy? So we've come to this place. First of all, let me explain. Toa really loves dinosaurs. He actually loves dinosaurs so much. So Cesar's found a place where it's just dinosaur everything. So we're just making our way over to the place. It looks pretty packed, so good sign. Must be pretty good. Toa kind of just woke up from a nap, so hopefully his birthday spirits get right up there and he's just like, yeah! Hey, dinosaur! So yeah, we'll see you guys in there. Ooh. He's so excited. Yeah, I know, Toa. Wow, what a dinosaur. Wow. Whoa, Toa, I know. What's that one? Raptor. T-Rex.
Dramatic, drastic.
Oh.
Drastic. Tiny Melly dinosaur.
My man is
little
ready.
T-Rex.
Yep, he's ready.
His name's not Toa anymore, his name is T-Rex. Here, say hi everyone. Show your dinosaur. Show your dinosaur.
That dinosaur.
Look, Sarah,
Oh!
For all time in the earth below our feet. It tells the tale of an ancient era when dream is now a reality here at Jurassic World. The park is.
To be standing on these binoculars. These are the interim binoculars, guys. That means you can go and check them out if you'd like. Thanks so much for joining us at Jurassic World this afternoon. Absolute pleasure to have you. And within these binoculars, you can see some of our fellow guests using. You'll get a look into the paddocks we have here in Jurassic World. And there are 7 different species of dinosaurs you can try to spot inside those binoculars. So definitely, we're very thankful for us to look around.
Look at dinosaur!
And folks, in case you didn't catch it, on your way into the ferry, we have the start at the entry gates. The cat at home.
Toa! No Toa!
We're spending so much time here with the dinosaurs instead. So she's got those legs tucked in underneath her, but at her full actually eating the veggies.
She wasn't stuck in the trunk and rubbed. You'd see her running around a little bit like an ostrich. Her snorts and grunts are very similar.
Wow, he's stuck to her.
That's how she communicates with other dinosaurs. And her big brown head with her bony skull. Umbra uses her teeth to rip off the fresh growth of toxic trees. Stella needs to rip it up with her beak first and then press it down. You might
Go say hi.
have a little stretch for his claws. Give her a pat on top of her head. Very quiet little babies.
Say bye-bye.
Just use the back of your hands to suck away. And on your way out, you'll be able to use those information boards and touch them. There's lots of facts and information over there. She's ready to meet some people. It looks like she... And thanks to her extra powerful muscles, Tyrannosaurus Rex could throw 50 kilograms.
Gentle.
Is it your birthday?
Yes.
Just on the top of the head, yeah.
Gentle. Nice.
That's right.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay, baby. Say bye. Say bye-bye.
Meaning through the velociraptor and seeing her work with the hand. Now our builders ask that we make sure our little ones have preference being up the front there, just so that they can see nice and easy. Colony.
Met Bumpy earlier. Did a lot of us meet Bumpy? Did any of us meet Bumpy? Hands up if you met Bumpy.
Toa.
Did any of us meet Bumpy? Did you meet Bumpy?
Toa.
Well, Bumpy is our baby and Kyla. So, oh, you met Bumpy? Oh,
Take my age, go all about back paddocks to see what gives them our large dinosaurs like us, T-Rex. Are you ready to see some dinosaurs? Are you ready to see some dinosaurs?
Go.
Put a T-Rex out of containment. I repeat, there's a T-Rex out of containment. We've got a T-Rex out of containment.
Say hi.
Okay, folks, I need everyone to get low. I need everyone to get low and try not to look too tasty. Folks, I need everyone to get down and try not to look too tasty. We do not want to get in today. Sera, I said try not to look too tasty.
Can't even see your face.
Don't look too tasty.
Okay. They seem to be distracted by each other. I need everyone to slowly make your way towards me. Folks, we need to stay low and move towards me. I said keep it distracted. Keep it distracted.
Eat me!
I need your help, quick. Eat him. 1, 2, 3, push. Alright, people, we need to move. We're getting out of this alive.
Let's go. Say bye-bye.
Folks, we need to clear this area.
guys, we've come to the end of Jurassic World, and honestly, Jurassic World, actually all the theme parks, these are smart for putting the gift shop at the end, because now Toa's just trying to pick everything and anything. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Only one.
4. Only one. Uncle Bob was like, only one. Son, you need to only pick one.
Oh, he wants that one. Oh, you want that one?
That one.
You want the brown one? You want this one? Yeah. Oh, look. Which one?
Only pick one, please. Oh, he wants that one.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere.
Hey, hey, hey.
Give it to her.
Happy birthday, my boy.
How much was that?
That was $48.
$48 for
Hey.
it. It's your
But you know
birthday.
what? This is premium Jurassic merch.
Right.
Hey.
Come from America, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, get him, get him. Yeah, madam.
He's so happy.
We just finished from Jurassic, or Jurassic, however you say it. That was Little Toa's event. My event was the food, so I told everyone, let's go to everyone. See, because these guys are all at my birthday party. These are all my boys, the Obays, eh? I told them, let's go to High Point, because I felt like some Nini chicken.
Did they bring you a birthday card?
They said after.
After.
And we came to Dumplings Plus for some Chinese. Because if you want some good Chinese in High Point, this is the place to go. What's up, guys? Our food just came. So I got some noodle beef, whatever it's called, chicken. Some noodle chicken, that's bulgogi and spicy.
And pork belly, steamed rice.
And Toa he takes after me, his namesake. He loves noodles. Anything that's noodles, he loves that.
Yeah.
I got a lemon pork. What do you call this, honey?
Lemon grass.
Yeah.
That's what we got, guys.
Nini is on.
Tell you right now, best Chinese store in High Point. Play kiss, play kiss. Yeah, play kiss.
So yeah, fam, we're just gonna get a bit of footage of tour on some of the machines and whatever, and just enjoy it all. Sis and Jace, they love playing this.
We want to go
game.
to the Queen. Okay, listen, don't do gambling, but if you come time zone, they have those little coin games that tap, tap, tap. It's the one.
It's not the one. It's not the one. Because you'll be waiting for how long? Yeah, baby. Go, go. Yeah, look.
Little Toa's just sitting on bote. Right bote.
This way, this way. Okay, this is the game that's addictive. We're just gonna play this game for a bit. Taru and Baby, they're still playing.
Shout out to Jean, who he gave us the rest of our cards.
He gave us the rest of our cards.
Shout out to Jean. Thanks, bro. Hey, God bless, cuz. We don't know whose birthday it was, if it was Toa's or his mum's. Right, we'll get back to you when it's all like added up, because there's quite a bit to go through. that's how much Toa has to spend. But Toa's sleeping, so his mum's gonna pick out his toys for him. Hey little Toa. Hey little Toa.
Yes. Yes.
So how much is that? 480.
For tomorrow, New Year's. So we should get 2 bread. Okay fam, so like I said, birthday boy is out. Dad, we just got a few stuff. We thought we'll get this for him for New Year's. We're going out tomorrow night. This will be cool for New Year's tomorrow. This, a plane, a whoopee cushion, a sword, and a mini dinosaur. What's that dinosaur called?